Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So CarPlay launches, but Waze just isn't there. You see your other apps, but Waze is nowhere on the screen. This is usually a visibility setting or permissions issue. In today's small tutorial, we wanna go through how to fix Waze not showing on CarPlay, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, go ahead and add Waze to your CarPlay screen. On your iPhone, go through Settings, General, CarPlay, select your vehicle, and if Waze appears with a grayed out icon, tap it to add it to the CarPlay screen. Then, check for hidden apps. In the CarPlay settings, some apps can be hidden from the display. Make sure Waze is not hidden at all. If it is, tap to show it. Then, you can easily update Waze in iOS. Waze requires iOS 12 or later to work with CarPlay. Update your iPhone's operating system and the Waze app if needed. Otherwise, restart and reconnect. Force close Waze, restart your iPhone, then reconnect to your car via USB cable or even the wireless CarPlay. Also, check the USB cable. If you are using a wired connection, try a different one. Some cables support charging but not data transfer, which can prevent apps from appearing. So I would recommend you to actually use the charger you got with the phone or in the box of your phone, since that charger or that cable seems to actually do both the charging and data transfer at the same time. Now it's time to reinstall Waze if none of the things I told you works, and install and reinstall Waze, then try connection again. And that's the main idea here. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.